In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Apple Maps not showing directions. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network, since Apple Maps needs an active internet connection to load routes. Next, launch settings. Go to privacy and security. Go to location services. Click on Apple Maps. Check in for the option while using the app. Next up, verify both your current location and destination are entered correctly, and try switching between different travel modes, as some types of directions may not be available in certain areas. If directions are still not showing, first close Apple Maps and reopen it, or restart your phone to clear temporary software glitches. Likewise, check for app update. Navigate to App Store. Search for the app Apple Maps. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, update your device software. So launch settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, head back, scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset location and privacy, and complete the process. Next up, you can check the service status of Apple. For that, navigate to this website, status.apple.com. Check whether Apple Maps is working or not. If there are outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, you can contact Apple support. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.